What if making millions wasn't about luck, but simple formulas that anyone could follow? Welcome back to my channel, Life You Dream in Action. Today, we're breaking down time-tested strategies and mindsets that millionaires use, and how you can apply them starting now. Most people overcomplicate wealth. They chase trends, gamble with crypto, or hope for overnight success. Wait a minute. Don't be among them. But what is the about truth? Wealth is built on clear, repeatable systems. Let's dive into the simple formulas to help you make millions. 1. The income equation. First, understand this. Income equals value you provide X number of people you help. It's not about how many hours you work. It's about how much value you bring, and to how many people. Want to earn $1 million? Solve a $100 problem for 10,000 people. Or solve a $10,000 problem for 100 people. Start thinking in terms of scalability and value creation. Choose the thing that you can do it the best. Can you teach, build, entertain, lead? Package that skill. 2. The saving rule. Pay yourself first. It doesn't matter how much you make if you spend everything. Millionaires follow this simple rule. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, buy clothes, or upgrade your phone. Save or invest 10 to 20% of your income. Make it automatic. Use this formula. Income minus investments equals expenses. This means you should treat investing as priority, and not as many people normally do. Income minus expenses equals saving or investments. 3. The skill stack. Want to stand out? Don't just be good at one thing. A skill stack means combining skills, especially those that complement each other, to make yourself more valuable in the marketplace. Example: basic skill. Typing, you might earn $15 per hour. Stack skills. Typing plus coding plus communication earn $45 per hour. Other examples: public speaking plus leadership plus financial knowledge. Photography plus video editing plus social media strategy. Use this formula. Skill plus demand plus execution equals high income. 4. The ownership principle. Build, don't just work. Millionaires don't just work for money. They own things that make money while they sleep. This could be a business, real estate, digital products, stocks, and dividends. If you're always trading time for money, you'll be limited. But owning systems, assets, or royalties, that's wealth. If you watch at this point, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Let us continue. 5. The opportunity filter. Say no often. Here's a mindset shift. The more successful you get, the more you must say no. Millionaires are focused. They don't chase every shiny object or follow every trend. Ask yourself, does this align with my long-term goals? Will this compound over time? Is this a distraction or a direction? Follow this formula. Focus equals progress X time. 6. The networking formula. Relationships equals leverage. You've heard before, your network is your net worth. But here's why it works. Trust plus skills plus visibility equals opportunities. Surround yourself with people who are growing, building, and thinking bigger. Collaborate, learn, offer value, be visible. Doors will open. 7. The mindset code. Wealth is a game. Millionaires view wealth like a game, not a scam, not a dream, a system. They study the rules. They practice the moves. They build momentum. Your formula here? Belief plus action plus time equals transformation. In closing, none of these formulas require you to be a genius. They just require you to be intentional, disciplined, and focused. The millionaire mindset isn't about flashy cars or viral success. It's about mastering simple systems and sticking with them long enough to win. If this inspired you, hit like and subscribe. Comment below, which formula are you going to apply first? Let's build smart. Let's build steady. Let's build wealth. See you next time. Peace.